Hey everyone, welcome back to Sewing Gear Hub, the place where we talk honestly about sewing machines, tools, and gear before you spend your money. If you've ever bought a portable sewing machine that promised convenience but delivered frustration, you're definitely not alone. Today we're counting down from number 7 to number 1, breaking down the top 7 best portable sewing machines, what they're actually good at, and who they really make sense for. No hype, no sugarcoating, just real-world sewing talk. Let's jump right in. Number 7. MagicFly MF600. The MagicFly MF600 is usually the most misunderstood machine on this list. It looks like a toy, feels like a toy, and for experienced sewists, it can absolutely feel limiting. It has just one stitch, 2 speeds, no backstitch, and a very compact build. But it also runs on batteries, which is something almost no other machine does, and that alone makes it unique. This machine works best for kids, absolute beginners, travel sewing, and tiny repairs. The slow speed is great for learning control, and it's light enough to throw in a bag. But the tension can be finicky, consistency takes patience, and the lack of a backstitch means you'll be turning fabric around constantly. At Sewing Gear Hub, we always say this machine only works if expectations are realistic. It's a helper, not a workhorse. Number 6. Singer M1500. Next is the Singer M1500, one of the simplest full-size sewing machines still available. It's lightweight, portable, and keeps everything very basic. You get preset stitches, a 4-step buttonhole, a free arm, and mechanical controls with no distractions. The stitch quality is decent on light to medium fabrics once you get the hang of it, but the front-loading bobbin and 4-step buttonhole can be tricky at first. This machine also doesn't love thick seams or denim stacks. It works best for beginners who want something simple, kids learning with supervision, or as a backup machine that's easy to move around. Number 5. Singer M1150. The Singer M1150 focuses heavily on portability and ease of storage. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry between rooms or take to a class. One big plus is the top drop-in bobbin, which many beginners find far less frustrating than front-load systems. The free arm is useful, and it handles light sewing tasks like hemming and repairs without much drama. That said, the machine feels light, and sometimes that translates to flimsy. The LED light is dim, tension control is limited, and it's not designed for long sewing sessions or thicker fabrics. This is a machine for occasional use, not heavy creativity. If your sewing needs are simple, it can work well. Number 4. Singer MX60. The Singer MX60 is clearly aimed at beginners who want something straightforward. Preset stitch length and width mean you don't have to think much, just select a stitch and sew. That simplicity makes it popular for classrooms and first-time users. Unfortunately, it's also one of the more inconsistent machines. Bobbin jams are a common complaint. Stitch quality can vary, and thicker fabrics are a struggle. It can handle crafts and light mending, but it doesn't inspire long-term confidence. This is one of those machines where beginners may blame themselves for problems that aren't actually their fault. Number 3. Singer MX231. Now we move into much more reliable territory. The Singer MX231 offers a great balance of simplicity and control. You get adjustable stitch length and width, stretch stitches for knits, and a 1-step buttonhole that's far easier than 4-step systems. The setup takes a bit of patience, and the needle threader isn't perfect. But once it's threaded correctly, this machine feels stable and predictable. It handles knits well, works on light denim with the right needle, and gives beginners room to grow. This is the kind of machine we often recommend on Sewing Gear Hub for people who want to learn properly without upgrading right away. Number 2. Singer M3300. The Singer M3300 is a quiet overachiever. It's lightweight, portable, and once you get used to the setup, it just keeps sewing. Straight stitches are neat, zigzags behave well, and it can handle a few layers of denim with patience. The automatic needle threader can be inconsistent, and the front-loading bobbin takes practice. But the speed control is gentle and beginner-friendly. This machine works well for garments, alterations, and everyday projects. Compared to simpler models, it feels more forgiving and balanced overall. Number 1. Singer M3500. At number 1 is the Singer M3500. On paper, it looks impressive, a large number of stitch applications, adjustable stitch settings, excellent LED lighting, and a built-in needle threader. It performs well on straight stitches, zigzag, denim layers, and even basic quilting. The biggest downside is the buttonhole function. Despite being a one-step system, it can be inconsistent, sometimes stopping mid-process or producing uneven results. Stitch selection can also feel confusing, especially for beginners, and the front-loading bobbin adds a learning curve. This machine works best for users who already understand sewing basics and don't rely heavily on buttonholes. Final thoughts. Portable sewing machines can be incredibly useful, but only if you choose one that matches your actual sewing needs. Some are perfect for learning, some are better for quick fixes, and a few truly support creative growth. The goal is always to pick the machine that works with you, not against you. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Sewing Gear Hub, and drop a comment telling us which machine you're considering. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!